Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. When editing video, do you want something basic, easy to use, or something with more advanced features to create your custom media? Whether you're just starting out or you've been editing for a while, there is a variety of video editing applications you can use. In this video, I will narrow down your choices to the 3 best video editing apps you can use for free on your iPhone or iPad. Let's go. First, you can try the Apple-developed application called iMovie, which offers basic editing tools such as trimming, effects, transitions, and even ready-made templates that you can easily use. iMovie has 3 editing modes you can choose from. If you like less hassle and minimal editing on your part, you can use the Magic Movie mode, where you can just add videos and let the app create a movie output from them. After rendering, the output will automatically have its own transition and background music. You can save it as is or customize it by adding available presets. On the other hand, the Storyboard mode lets you choose from a variety of ready-to-use templates and styles. After selecting your design, you will have an outline with each scene already defined. You can click the plus button on each scene and set your video from your gallery. The third editing mode, Movie, lets you create your output from scratch and gives you more options to customize it by adding special effects yourself. After adding your video, tap each layer on the editing board and use the toolbar below to perform specific functions you need, such as cutting a clip, adjusting its speed, and more. For more options, click the gear icon and choose a default filter from the list or add a soundtrack of your choice. Regardless of which editing mode you choose in iMovie, the resulting video is saved directly to your gallery without a watermark. Note that this app works better when the videos you edit are in a landscape orientation. If you need simple editing features like merging multiple clips into one video, creating regular transitions and effects, you can also use the Canva app as another alternative. Although Canva has a paid version, most of the basic features are free. Make sure to sign up for a new account first if you don't have one yet. To get started, click the plus button and select the mobile video template, which is set to a fixed resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels. Give the app access to your gallery when prompted, and then go to the Camera Roll tab to add the videos you want to edit. Then use the toolbar to access editing tools such as color grading, timing, adding text or elements, and more. Once you're done, tap the Upload button in the upper right corner, click Download and select Save Video after the export is complete. The file will be automatically saved in your Photos app and the output won't have a watermark. Last but not least, you can also have a look at CapCut, which has the most features but is also more complex. CapCut is a popular and widely used app that offers a variety of advanced tools that are very customizable, making editing easy even if you're a beginner. A pro version of CapCut is also available, but the free trial allows you to explore almost all the available tools. To begin editing, click New Project. Grant access to your Photos app when prompted, and add the videos from your gallery. Each video you add is a new layer on the editing panel that you can customize using the various functions in the toolbar, such as adjusting its speed, creating animations, applying transitions, and more. By default, a CapCut clip is added at the end of each video you create. If you want to remove it, scroll to the end of the layers, tap the CapCut clip, and click the Delete button. Once you've made all the necessary edits to your video, you can set the quality up to 4K and click Upload to begin exporting. As soon as the export is finished, the video will be automatically saved to your gallery, and there will be no watermark embedded on the output as well. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.